This lever cap, it is the part which will fix the blade, but it should not act directly on the blade. Inside or between them, we need to have this cap iron which will act like a washer. This is all about the plane. We are having chisels. Here in the chisels, we have four chisels. But in these 4 chisels, we are having the tool, this farmer chisel and the socket chisel. These 2 chisels, they are used to chop the holes by using by using mallet on the top of it. We have also bevel chisel. This bevel chisel is not used in chopping, but it is used in smoothing the area. We have also mortise chisel. This mortise chisel, it is especially used when we are making the mortise. We have number 2, which is parting and shaving tools. Parting and shaving tools, we say that it consists about the saws. Saws are classified into 2 classes. Class number 1, it is reaping saw. Class number 2, it is cross-cutting saw. Reaping, this term reaping, it refers to cutting the timber following the direction of the fibers, or when we are cutting the timber longitudinally, so that is called reaping. But when we are doing cross cutting, it is when we are cutting across, means we are cutting the fibers into 2. And then these reaping saws, they are characterized by their length. They are very long compared, they are longer compared to cross-cut saw, because these reaping saw, they are ranging from 66 to 71 centimeter in length. But for cross-cutting saw, they are ranging from 51 to 66 centimeter long, of course. And they are also characterized by the size of the teeth. The reaping saw, they are having bigger teeth but few. And for cross-cutting, they are small and many. Let's see here in reaping saws, if you consider in 1 inch, you can find 3 teeth to 5, 3 to 5 teeth in 1 inch. But if you consider, so here it means they are bigger but few. If you consider in cross-cutting saws, you will find that in 1 inch we will find 7 to 8 teeth. So it means they are small and many. Let's see impeding tools. So these impeding tools, they are the tools which gives the force to other tools. Like in fixing, let's say wood or plastic mallet. Plastic or wood mallets, here we have given an example of a wood mallet. This mallet, it is made in a wood, and then it is used to knock on the top of the chisels. So on the top of the chisels, we will not use metal hammers, because they can break the handle of the tools. So there we will use the plastic or wooden mallet. We have claw hammer. Claw hammer, it is this one. So as you see, it is having a wooden handle, and the head, it is made in steel. So this hammer, it is used to fix nails and to take out, fix nails and take out nails. We have pencils and pliers. Pencils and pliers. Here you have a plier. So the plier it is used to cut the nails and take out nails. We have screwdrivers. Screwdrivers. A screwdriver may be flat or ordinary, or it may be star or special. This flat screwdriver, it is called ordinary screwdriver, and star screwdriver, it is also called special screwdriver. Here we have examples. This one, it is a star screwdriver. This, it is a flat screwdriver. So you will select the screwdriver to use according to the head of the screws you are having. We are having equipment which are used in carpentry. Equipment used in carpentry, they are surface planer. We are having circular saw machine. We have thickness planer machine. We have sliding table machine. We have a wood lathe machine. We have mortizer machine. We have band saw machine, jigsaw machine, and router machine. Surface planer machine, it is used to plane, of course. Circular saw, it is used to cut. Thickness is to plane but respecting the given thickness. Sliding machine, it is used to cut longitudinally and across. Wood lathe, it is used to turn the pieces. Mortizer machine, it is used to chop the mortise. Band saw, it is used to cross cut. Jigsaw, it is used to cut in any shape, and the router, it is used for decoration purpose. Then here we may see a surface planer machine. This one, it is a surface planer machine. As you see, it is having in-feed table and out-feed table. Here on an in-feed table, it is where you feed a piece when it is when you are starting. And then here it is having a fence. This fence, it will help to guide you when you are working, to guide your stock. Stock, it is the piece you are working on. Here we have a guard which cover the top of the cutter block, so that it will secure you for not get injured. Here we have lever handle. This one, it will help to raise or going down of the in-feed table in adjusting the depth of cut. As I was saying that here we are having a cutter block. Here we have a cutter block. Here you are seeing we have a block on which it is equipped with the blade. This is a blade, a blade, a blade. Here also we have thickness planer machine. This thickness planer machine, as here on the surface planer, the piece is passing on the top of the machine. Here it is opposite, because on the thickness planer machine, the piece will pass through the machine, and then it is equipped with 3 blocks. Here we have 1 cutter block, but here we are having 3. One, it is the first one. It is called roller block. This one, it will help in holding the piece and feeding inside. The second, it is having the second, they are here inside. The second, it is cutter block. It is having the blade to pray. And the last, it will be called the anti-kickback. Anti-kickback, it will hold this piece so that it will not go back to you. When you are putting the piece, you need to set the thickness of a finished product. So the scale is here, which is shown here in a bit. So you can set your thickness of the timber. Here we are having sliding table machine. This sliding table machine, it may cut. Here we are having cross cut fence. Here also you have ripping fence, so it can do ripping cross cutting.